Oh, so is this, what's the Photoshop? Oh, she has 6 toes. Okay, big toe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, she has an extra toe. Why would they do that though? Maybe her feet looked all wonky and then they were like, oh, let's just add one in, but they forgot to take one out. Oh God, that's embarrassing. I don't like feet in pictures to begin with, let alone 6 toes. Can be worn by both men and women. What? I'm confused. Well, that's not even a Photoshop fail, that's just a fail. Well, of course a mask can be worn by both men and women. I don't understand that. Maybe they didn't mean to put that in there, but it's a mask. I don't get it. Oh, yes. I know this one. This one caused a bunch of controversy. So Kendall Jenner was just posing like, ooh, at this event, and someone photoshopped that sign in her hands, but they did a crap job because look at her shadow. She doesn't even have a sign in her hands. They tried to ruin her and they did some damage, but you got caught. She's not even holding a sign. That would suck as a celebrity, man. People just find a way to ruin you.
This is the before and after photo of Riley O'Keefe's school picture. The school deciding to edit her photo to cover up her cleavage. She points out that this was a problem for the school, yet this photo of members of Bartram Trail High School's boys swim team was published with no alterations. Yvette Ballard's daughter also noticed her picture was altered, and she says her daughter is being bullied for it.
That's absurd. I will be damned. Are you kidding me? I feel like it's more inappropriate to just start photoshopping like her chest area. There's nothing inappropriate showing here. Oh my God, I can't believe, and then they have pictures of the swim team in bathing suits. That makes no freaking sense. Y'all, at least I never had that problem because I don't have a chest. Never had to worry about that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I'm your host, Joss Bedard, and I'm so excited because I've been telling you guys that I'd be back at the studio soon, and here I am, and I'm so happy. Hopefully it stays like this. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video before we get into it, and also subscribe so you don't miss our next one. We are almost at 100K. Help us get there. Kamari cat perch, $14.91 on sale. That's actually a good sale, I'm not gonna lie. That cat's not real. Neither of those cats are real. And I'm thinking that's the Photoshop fail because that don't look right. The proportions on these cats alone is a little weird. Those cats, like that is the worst. Y'all, you had better luck just taking a real cat, putting it on there for a second and snapping your pic. None of those cats looked right.
Check out this hot pic of Rihanna. The singer is smoking in this ensemble, and this Photoshop fail is up for debate. Look at the thumb on her right hand. Is that 2 thumbnails we see? It's been argued that it's just the end of a ribbon from the bracelets on her wrist and not an extra nail.
Yes, I have done lists on this before. Apparently, she claims it was part of like the feathers and stuff that was going on in the picture. But then others are like, no, it doesn't make sense. It looks like they photoshopped her thumb and her nail and then messed it up. So I'm curious what you guys think. Is it like a bad Photoshop fail, or is it genuinely just like a feather or something? Let me know in the comments what you think.
Lindsay Lohan is the OG of using Photoshop on Instagram
hers
photos.
are bad.
What do we got? Wonky stares, tiny waist, the funhouse mirror effect, even photoshopping herself into photos. What we have to wonder is if she's in on the joke. Like, does Lindsay know that her retouching skills aren't the best and she's just having fun with it? We have to give her an A for effort because she really does try.
Oh my God, Lindsay. I've actually never seen those. I've seen this one other example. It's so bad. The wall literally goes like it's just like literally a funhouse mirror. I've never seen these. And the fact that she photoshopped herself into a photo, I think you've hit like an ultimate low when you have to Photoshop yourself somewhere that you weren't.
We are not sure who decided that this photo of Ariana Grande needed to be altered so much that her right hand is abnormally large. The singer always looks great in her social media posts, and you can't look away from her larger-than-life thumb. It's almost the length of her forearm.
Whoa, I don't think I've ever realized that. I've seen that picture so many times. Her hand is so long. Her thumb alone looked really long. Like, it covered like majority of her arm. I've never noticed that before. Honestly though, I don't think you would notice it unless someone pointed it out. Because I didn't notice that, but now it's all I could stare at.
Britney Spears is looking great these days, so we're not sure why she felt the need to Photoshop her waist.
What'd she
like in
Photoshop?
this pic of her posing in her bathroom. Does she just happen to be standing in front of a vortex? Because what's happening to the cabinets in this pic doesn't seem to be happening in these other photos of herself that she posted in the same location.
You know, she's not one to Photoshop though. Listen, if you have Britney Spears on Instagram, she is always wearing these tiny pajama shorts, sports bra, letting everything out, and she's just dancing away. Like, she just shows her body all the time. So, I don't know why she would feel the need to Photoshop herself. She's very, like, proud about her body and just shows it off for how it is. Moment of weakness, I guess. Britney.
This photo of Bella Hadid is a threefer of photoshopping fails. First, there's the white couch behind her that just seems to be cut off abruptly. The window beside her, where does that come from? And her position in relation to the window is odd. And finally, the ever so tiny dent in the railing near her hips. We've heard that wherever you find a Photoshop fail, a wizard did it. We can only assume that's what's happening here.
I didn't notice all these things. This is like famously known, how she literally took a picture of bushes and just covered up something in her picture, but I've never noticed the window thing, the couch thing, the dent in the railing. If there's a railing, how is there a couch? Like, this is a very confusing picture. And I wonder what she was trying to cover up so bad. Like, you're better off to just remove an item than add in a random square bush. Like, they have money. Get a professional to at least Photoshop it for you.
We'll be honest, Mariah and photoshopping don't go hand in hand.
Really? I'm
You
shocked.
just come to expect it from the powerhouse singer, and there's nothing wrong with that. But fans cried foul when she posted this pic on Instagram where her waist is just a little too small for what we've seen in photos and real life. At least this one is pretty decently done, right? Unlike the Photoshop fail from Thanksgiving, eagle-eyed fans were quick to notice the warped cabinets near her knee and the thinning of the arm holding up that delicious, delicious pie.
Makes no sense. Like, that's so bad. I'm like, half the celebrities don't even do like, well, I'll just do like a tiny tweak here. It's like, let's just bring our waist in 6 inches and hope no one notices that's not what I look like. Make it make sense. Or just be real and don't do that, because you're setting a horrible example for the rest of us who idolize you. Although I don't idolize Mariah Carey.
Just on Christmas.
Just on Christmas. Oh, her voice idolized. 100%. And her Christmas song, yes. But other than that.
Selena's Glam Squad posted this gorgeous selfie
Selena.
of the actress and singer on Instagram. The hair, the red lips, the eyes, Selena is making it work. If only there wasn't that pesky warp behind her right shoulder that clues fans into the Photoshop fail. But what exactly was Photoshopped? Were her lips plumped? Shoulders slimmed? We're thinking it was probably to add more fullness and volume to her hair, which really and truly we don't think was needed.
I thought those were just her lips, to be honest, like a lot of lip liner and stuff like that, but rumor has it, I have a little myth or theory here, that her hair, it was done by her hairstylist who was adding volume to her hair in the picture because they posted it on their Instagram. But like, if you have to add volume into someone's hair, like with Photoshop, I feel like you should just be able to give the person volume if you're a hairstylist, but what do I know?
Fans were surprised by
This
Chloe's
one's so
new
bad.
look when these photos were posted on her Instagram. And of course, fans were quick to notice that her necklace chain is missing on the right side. Also, it's just a lot of softening and airbrushing that we aren't sure was even needed. Chloe seems to be the most Photoshop reliant of the sisters when really she doesn't need to be. Though we do enjoy this one where someone, or Chloe herself, managed to add an extra finger to her right hand.
Why are we giving Kardashians extra limbs? Like, what's happening? That one with the missing chain link and how her face looks completely different. They didn't show it, but the same day in the same outfit and everything, she actually did an interview for Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and the interview photos came out at the same time that these photos did, and it was insane how different she looked. Chloe, why? You got, like, they don't even need it. I don't understand. Alright guys, well those are some Photoshop fails. Like I said at the beginning, don't Photoshop your pictures, okay? Just bask in your flaws and insecurities. We all do it, it's fine. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video and subscribe to help us get to 100K. We are almost there. I was your host, Joss Bedard. I will see you next time. Bye. I'm trying to think if I've ever had a Photoshop fail. I don't think so, no. Cause I don't believe in that. That makes no freaking sense. Why Photoshop your body when people are gonna see you in person and be like, you don't look like that. Like, I just remain ugly always.